Hey, it's Patrick Grosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty. You may have heard about our full-service flat fee listings through a postcard in your mailbox recently. We'll talk more about those in just a second, but first we'll look at the Cincinnati real estate market news for 2023 year-to-date and compare that to 2022 year-to-date. First of all, new listings are down 19%, closings are down 35%, average sale price is up over 6%, average days on market is at 20 days, total inventory right now is at 82 days, while active inventory is at 46 days. It is still a seller's market, but not as hot as it was earlier this year. So if you want to net the most money when you sell your home, you need a more sophisticated marketing approach. But you don't have to pay a 6% commission to get that because it comes standard with our full-service flat fee listings. Visit our site at 513flatfee.com to learn more about our service and to find out how you can net the most money when you sell your home. Mortgage interest rates have been falling since their peak near 8%. Right now we're at about, as an average, 7.27% according to bankrate.com. So that's a lot lower than it was just a month or so ago. Obviously that is actually more expensive than it was the last couple years and certainly earlier this year. But buyers are seeing a little bit of relief in terms of affordability with the lower interest rates. So if you're thinking about buying a home, it might be a good time to capitalize on that. We also have news recently from yesterday actually. The Fed decided to continue to pause rates. They're not raising or cutting them yet. So that's another sign. A lot of economists think that they're going to be cutting rates sometime next year. Of course, nobody really knows what's going to happen, but it looks like interest rates are declining and may continue to decline throughout 2024. If mortgage interest rates continue to decline, we expect that more buyers are going to shop for homes because it's more affordable for them to do so. In response to that increase in demand with relatively the same amount of supply, we expect Economics 101 to dictate that home prices are going to rise more quickly than they did this year. We've seen home prices rise over 6% in 2023 compared to 2022. In 2024, we would expect it to increase by more than 6%, potentially double digits depending on if rates do decline in 2024. So for buyers, that means although it's more affordable in terms of the interest that you're paying, it'll be less affordable in terms of the price that you're actually paying for the home itself. For sellers, more demand means more showings, potentially more offers. That also means there's going to be a little bit of increase in supply from those buyers who are also selling a home. But we do anticipate that demand is going to outpace supply. We're going to have an even more intense seller's market next year. Again, this is all contingent upon interest rates declining. If they do, we expect more demand, relatively the same amount of supply, home prices to go up more than they did this year, and ultimately a stronger seller's market in 2024, again, if interest rates continue to decline. If you have any questions about buying a home, selling a home, or doing both this year or next year, feel free to reach out to us. The best way to do that is to visit our site at 513flatfee.com. Click one of the links there to schedule a call so we can set aside some time to assess your specific needs and map out a game plan for how we can help you to achieve your real estate goals. I'm Patrick Grosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty.